Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use your Bloom card to enhance your focus. To begin, simply download the free Bloom application to your smartphone. Once installed, you will pair your sleek, stainless steel Bloom card with the app. This quick setup allows you to personalize your experience by selecting the specific apps and websites you wish to block during your focused periods. It's a straightforward process designed to get you started on your journey to better concentration in just a few moments. Activating a focus session is incredibly simple. Just tap your Bloom card to the back of your phone, and your selected distracting apps will be instantly blocked. For consistent focus, you can set up custom schedules within the app, allowing sessions to start and end automatically. There's also a helpful child mode, letting parents control app access with a simple tap. This physical card provides a tangible barrier, making it harder to mindlessly access those time-consuming applications. While in a focus session, you can take up to 3 5-minute breaks if needed. The app also offers a limited number of emergency exits, allowing you to unblock all apps without your card a few times. For maximum discipline, enable strict mode to prevent the Bloom app from being deleted during a focus session. This ensures your commitment to staying focused. The physical card provides a unique and effective way to manage your digital habits and reclaim your valuable time. The Bloom card offers several key benefits. It is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability. Importantly, it never needs charging, as it operates without a battery. Your initial purchase provides lifetime access to the accompanying application, meaning no recurring subscription fees. This innovative card provides a unique physical solution to combat digital distractions, helping you stay present and productive. It's a simple, effective tool for anyone looking to improve their focus.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.